India is a diverse country located in South Asia. It is known for its rich history, vibrant culture, and diverse traditions. From ancient civilizations to colonial influences, India has a unique blend of languages, religions, art, music, and cuisine. India is home to various iconic landmarks and attractions, such as the Taj Mahal in Agra, Jaipur's palaces and forts, the backwaters of Kerala, and the spiritual city of Varanasi. The country also has a wide range of traditional art forms like classical dance forms, such as Bharatanatyam and Kathak, classical music, including Hindustani and Carnatic music, and intricate handicrafts. Religion plays a significant role in India, with Hinduism being the most prominent, followed by Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, and Jainism. Festivals like Diwali, Holi, Eid, and Christmas are celebrated with great enthusiasm throughout the country. Indian cuisine is renowned worldwide for its flavors and variety. Each region has its own culinary specialties, such as butter chicken and biryani in the north, dosas and idlis in the south, and street food like chaat and vada pav found across the country. It's worth noting that India is a vast and diverse country, and its culture, traditions, and lifestyle can vary significantly from region to region. Exploring India's diversity can be a fascinating and enriching experience.